For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the text of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting a Kaju, cashew nut, business can be a lucrative venture, given the increasing demand for healthy snacks and nuts worldwide. Whether you want to sell raw cashews, roasted and flavored varieties, or processed cashew products like butter and sweets, using free AI tools can significantly reduce your startup effort, cut costs, and help you make data-driven decisions. This guide walks you through the step-by-step process of launching your Kaju business with the help of free AI. Step 1. Research the Kaju market. Before diving into any business, understanding the market demand, competitors, pricing, and customer preferences is essential. Use AI tools like ChatGPT to gather information quickly. For instance, you can ask ChatGPT, "What are the current trends in the cashew nut market globally and in my region?" Or, "Who are the major competitors in the Kaju industry and what products do they offer?" Additionally, Google Trends and Answer the Public, free tier, can help you identify popular search queries related to Kaju, revealing what customers are interested in. Step 2. Define your niche and product offering. The Kaju market has many segments such as raw nuts, roasted salted nuts, flavor varieties, spicy, sweet, Kaju-based sweets like Kaju Katli, or processed products like cashew butter and oils. Based on your market research, decide which niche to target. Use ChatGPT to help refine your niche. Prompt example. Help me define a unique selling proposition for a Kaju business specializing in flavored roasted cashews. This will help you articulate why your product stands out. Step 3. Create a business plan. A solid business plan will guide your operations and attract partners or funding if needed. Use ChatGPT to draft your plan by providing prompts like, "Create a business plan outline for a small-scale Kaju roasting and packaging business." ChatGPT can generate sections on market analysis, marketing strategy, operations, financial projections, and more. Once the outline is generated, you can ask for more detailed content on each section, such as marketing plans, supplier sourcing, or budgeting. Step 4. Source suppliers and raw materials. Finding reliable suppliers for raw Kaju nuts is critical. Use AI tools such as Google Search powered by web browsing via the ChatGPT web tool, if available, to locate suppliers or exporters in your region or internationally. You can also draft inquiry emails using ChatGPT. Prompt example. Write a professional email to inquire about bulk raw cashew nut prices and quality from suppliers. For pricing comparison, you may use Excel or Google Sheets with AI-powered functions like formulas or Google's Explore feature to organize quotes and analyze costs. Step 5. Design your brand and packaging. Brand identity and packaging play a huge role in attracting customers. Free AI design tools such as Canva with some free templates or Adobe Express can help create logos, product labels, and promotional materials. For creative ideas, prompt ChatGPT with "Suggest brand name ideas and taglines for a premium Kaju snack business." Then you can feed those into design tools for visual creation. Step 6. Set up online presence and marketing. In today's market, an online presence is essential. Use free AI-powered website builders like Wix, ADI, or Zyro to quickly build a professional website. These platforms use AI to generate website layouts based on your inputs. For content creation, use ChatGPT to write product descriptions, blog posts, or social media posts. Example prompt. Write engaging Instagram captions to promote roasted Kaju nuts. Leverage free AI social media schedulers, such as Later or Buffer, with free plans to plan your marketing campaigns. Step 7. Plan operations and packaging logistics. You need to decide how you will roast, package, and distribute your Kaju products. Use ChatGPT to help create SOPs, standard operating procedures. Prompt. Generate a step-by-step process for roasting and packaging cashew nuts at a small business scale. If you plan to sell offline, use AI tools to find retail partners or local markets. For delivery logistics, you can analyze routes and costs using free map services like Google Maps. Step 8. Manage finances and accounting. Free AI tools such as Wave Accounting or Zoho Books, free tiers, can help you track expenses, sales, and profits. Use ChatGPT to generate financial forecasts or budgeting plans. Example prompt: help me create a monthly budget forecast for a small Kaju roasting business with initial investment of $10,000. Step 9. Monitor customer feedback and improve. Once you start selling, gather customer feedback via surveys or social media comments. Use free survey tools like Google Forms or SurveyMonkey, free version, to collect reviews. Analyze the feedback with AI text summarizers or sentiment analysis tools, such as Monkey free tier, to understand customer sentiment and areas for improvement. Step 10. Scale your business. Based on your initial success, plan your next steps, whether expanding product lines, increasing production capacity, or entering new markets. Use ChatGPT to brainstorm scaling strategies. Prompt example: suggest growth strategies for a Kaju snack business targeting health-conscious consumers. Conclusion: starting a Kaju business using free AI tools makes launching easier and more efficient than ever. From researching the market and creating a business plan to designing your brand, managing operations, and marketing your products, AI can assist at every stage. By leveraging AI-driven insights, automation, and creativity, you can reduce costs, save time, and make smarter decisions, giving your Kaju business a competitive edge. Whether you're a small startup or planning to grow, integrating free AI tools into your process can turn your Kaju business dream into a successful reality. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.